Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. Today we have a lecture 19 of ICT A to Z beginner series. In today's lecture, I am going to show you the example of ICT Silver bullet. So bear with me. I am in the gold chart at 5 minutes, and the price action is a very recently at the time of recording. So basically, what I told you in the last previous video, if you didn't see that one, make sure you watch that one, because I already make the playlist of ICT to Z beginner series in my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe it and join my Telegram. And if you want a good prop firm or a broker, you will find the link of that broker and prop firm in the description below. So in the previous video, I taught you the silver bullet time frame, 3 am to 4 am London session. All time frame is corresponding to the New York session. That is if you are in your trading view chart, UTC -4 New York should be like that. So our time window should be matched to each other. 10 am to 11 am New York, 2 pm to 3 pm New York PM session. This is the 3 time frame for a silver bullet in a day, and these specific setup happen almost every day. And the thing you have to do in silver bullet, at the specific time frame you have to find the liquidity. It can be any day, previous day high or previous day low, previous structure high, previous season high, previous season low, new week opening gap, the optimal trade entry, previous week high, previous week low, or any PI of higher time frame. Once you get that one, you will have to find the market structure shift with displacement like ICT 22 model consequences, and you have to take the trade on fair value gap to the opposite side liquidity. So in the gold 5 minute time frame, I mark out the London 3 am to 4 am. This is our entry time frame. Doesn't mean we enter at 3 to 4 and we have to exit 3 to 4. No, we can enter at 3 am till 4 am, but we cannot enter after 3 to 4 am if we are using this specific strategy of ICT silver bullet. Okay, so we will enter on this time frame just, and we can hold a trade till 5, 6 or until the New York session is open. Okay, so we have this first mark out. The second mark out is our 10 am and 11 am, and the PM session 2 pm and 3 pm UTC -4 New York session. For just ignore this 3 line. This is the my mark out for today trade, as the market is live and the New York is open. And you know, in my Telegram channel I post the signals of gold, mostly gold and US oil. So this is my strategy. After I finish my ICT beginner series, I will start this. My strategy I have very accurate, and believe me, just if you don't want to trade, just go for a demo trade, paper trade on trading view, and put the buy limit and sell limit on my given level every day. Okay, you will see the accuracy. My setup always, the market came, touch and fly for the direction which I was suggested on the group. Okay, so here, excuse me, pardon me for my English, I am trying my best, so bear with me. So here are the thing. Okay, so here what happened, once the London start, okay, we will see price take out the liquidity of a previous session high, but if you see, it didn't take the previous session low. But what happened previously, here you see it's take the internal structure, and here the market structure shift, but price didn't come to the our fair value gap here and here, and price go to the our outside of the time limit, you see. So we don't have any trade. The most important thing, you have to just stick with one pair. It can be any pair, and you have to stick with only one setup with one time frame. Okay, so what does it mean by that? We have 3 silver bullet time frame. Okay, if you are any type of worker of any company, you most probably you don't have a time for the trade, right? So you have to just pick your time and trade it. For example, if you get a trade on a London session, then on New York session, just you have to watch it. You don't have to put your live money or live account on that trade. Okay, you put on demo and try it. Okay, so the thing is, one session for your trading and two is for your training. Okay, so here we have also fair value gap. Price came, react, and give us the reaction, right? Then we have this New York session start here. If you see here, price what did? Price take previous day liquidity, okay, and aggressively move to the upside and give us a fair value gap. If you go to the lower time frame, 1 3 2 1, okay, you will see this thing. So what you will see here, we have this a fair value gap, right? If I move this, you will see a fair value gap. Okay, we have fair value gap. Price come to that fair value gap, and then price go to the upside liquidity. This was the CPI news, and it was a great move because I took this trade ICT 22 model here till this liquidity. You see probably my ICT 22 model. If you don't see, make sure you watch that one. Okay, so here are the liquidity. The first target is here because maybe price can repricing here, okay, in this fair value gap, and we have the second liquidity here, and the third is here. Okay, because sometime price what did, it's come to the consequent approachment of this week here and give you a reaction and go to the back downside. Okay, now we have a PM session, but in PM session you see we don't have much price action, but as you see here, price go upside to the previous long term NPOI. Price give us a beautiful fair value gap. Price didn't come to reprice it, and it's go downside. But if in a lower time frame, you will see something. Let we see in 1 minute time frame, did we get something here in PM session or nothing? Pardon. Okay. Here it didn't come, but it's like that. You see we have this fair value gap entry. This is your TP. This is your SL. First this was the bushing, but for spread it may be hit your SL, but price give you a delivery, some sort of delivery. All right, I will give you more examples on the coming videos on different markets like NAS 100, US 30, or Euro USD, JPY USD. So make sure you watch this video till end and subscribe to my channel. Join my Telegram. Until next time, be safe.